Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will clean and show you about various mini cars one by one. Firstly, I will show you this nice excavator with special colors with number 877 បាទបងប្អូនទាំងអស់គ្នាអញ្ចឹងវីដេអូនេះនិយាយអំពីឡានបាទដោយការលាងក៏ដូចជាបង្ហាញបងប្អូននៅឡានផ្សេងបាទម្ដងមួយបាទ the next one cement mixer បាទប្រភេទ cement mixer truck ឡានក្លុកស៊ីម៉ង់ឬក៏ហៅថាឡានលាយស៊ីម៉ង់ Let's move to the next one. A red car with special body, with special wheels, with special tires. But a very nice car ever. How about this one? School bus. Yellow school bus. Now go to the next one. A mini short airplane. Let's go to the next one. A racing car. Iron Man. Four wheels. Motorbike. Very nice. Let's just check the next. មួយនេះគឺពណ៌វាគឺ shoot បាទ shoot មែនតើអ្នកនរគ្នានេះតើលេង check the next one បាទមួយនេះក៏ shoot ខ្លាំងដែរតើលេង check the next one a monster truck បាទ monster truck this one I think it is a special one for meនេះគឺជាប្រភេទឡានជោគអ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នាបាទប្រភេទឡានជោគបាទប្រភេទនេះគឺជោគដីបាទជោគដីជោគគ្រោះជោគខ្សាច់អីហ្នឹងណាបាទ A mini short airplane បាទ A mini short airplane How about this one But this one is a shoot car, everybody. Then let's check the next one. And if you prepare transportation, prepare transportation truck. Mini short airplane. So let's check the next one. Another mini short airplane, everybody. បាទឡានយន្តឡានហោះតូចឬក៏ហៅថាយន្តហោះតូចណានេះគឺ motorbike បាទ motorbike នេះគឺ motorbike បាទនេះហៅថាម៉ូតូធំបាទម៉ូតូធំ number 14 So let's move to the next one បាទបងប្អូនទាំងអស់គ្នាបើសិនជាចូលចិត្តវីដេអូនេះសូមជួយចុច like comment ជាពិសេសបងប្អូនដែលមិនទាន់បានជួយចុច subscribe Don't forget to subscribe to my channel បាទមួយនេះគឺជាប្រភេទឡាន sport ដែរអ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នា sport car បាទតោះឥឡូវយើង check the next one Black Spider-Man បាទ Black Spider-Man ពណ៌ខ្មៅអ្នកនរគ្នា Hero Spider-Man បាទ Black Spider-Man Okay everybody if you like this video please let me know by comment like and especially subscribe to my channel Finally, thank you for watching this video. I hope you like it. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Goodbye. Good luck. By excavator, everybody, excavator. Construction area. We use it in construction area. Construction works. Number 5. By number 5. อันนี้ประเภทลานในกิจการในการอาคาร We use it in construction area. Okay, we find the next one. We find the last one, but we find nothing in this water. Okay, thank you for watching. See you next time. Goodbye. Good luck.